Hello and welcome to HotStone Media. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the air filter on a Ford Fiesta. The first thing you need to do will be to unscrew the air filter housing. After that, the air filter housing should come apart and you should be able to take out the old air filter. Then you can install the new air filter. And finally, you can screw back the air filter housing and it should be all done. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the content, please like, subscribe and share. I will need as much subscribers as possible in order to continue. Thank you for watching my videos.